Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about KVCore newsletter tutorial. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for KVCore. And when you're on their website, as you can see right here, we cannot really actually see an option where we can sign up. So just click on this, learn more today. And after that, we'll be redirected to the Bold Trail website. Okay, so now the best products to use for the newsletter on the Bold Trail is the Bold Trail platform or the Bold Trail front office. So we have the customizable IDX website, so you can keep your brand up front and center and showcase your local expertise with high converting IDX websites. Maximize lead capture with a modern consumer search experience that rivals the portals, hyper local area pages, home valuation pages, and more. So we have powerful lead engines, so the most robust and strategic lead gen tools on the market help you effectively drive new business no matter your budget. So diversify your lead sources and drive more leads with higher quality and lower cash through in-house tools directly in your platform. And we have the AI-powered smart CRMs to surface the hottest opportunities and automate day-to-day tasks so your agents can focus on what they can do best, building relationships, improve productivity, and ensure maximum lead conversions. Next is the marketing autopilot to drive up to 10 times more engagement with both new leads and sphere of influence contacts using a fully automated marketing suite. Dynamic multi-channel campaigns automatically adjust based on user behavior, ensuring your agents deliver timely, relevant content. Listing alerts, market reports, and built-in video messaging helps agents stay top of mind to drive repeat and referral business. Next is listing management or marketing. So seamlessly manage and promote all your listings in one central location. Drive maximum listing exposure with integrated social media marketing, including one-click posting to Facebook, book testing, and more. So capture leads and automatically kick off tailored nurture campaigns from your own branded apps. Next, seamless integrated front and back office. So deeply integrated front office and back office provides visibility into the entire transaction, ensures information is accurate, and creates a streamlined process from lead to close so brokers get a bird's eye view of the entire business. Agents have the tools they need to generate leads and close deals, and admins enjoy efficient gains to move quickly and accurately through transactions. Next is we have the business intelligence and analytics. So get access to mission critical data across your entire organization and make more informed business decisions that impact your bottom line. Maximize business growth and minimize mistakes with the unprecedented visibility into marketing source performance, agent productivity. Next is the marketplace and integrations to create your own unique tech ecosystems with a fully integrated marketplace for premium add-on solutions and integrations designed to meet the unique needs of your users. Empowers agents and teams to customize the Bold Trail platform and make it your own with one-click access to lead concierge services, solar lead tools, paid advertising, and more. And the last one is the AI-powered search. So you can allow your prospective home buyers to search for the way they think and using natural language instead of filters, whether it's home under 600K in the Riverland with white granite counters or brick house with a single car garage and no HOA. So the system gets it fast and accurate and surfaces what buyer actually want. So for agents, it means smarter alerts automatically generated for rearrangement of cold leads and a more powerful way to work your database and more connections, creating more conversations. So Home Search AI delivers an addictive search experience for clients where they won't want to go back to, drawing maps or clicking check boxes. And when your brand delivering that experience, that's a serious problem. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.